In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate video from text in Waved video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple prompt into a polished video using the built-in text-to-video feature. First, head over to Wave.video and make sure you're logged in. If you see your dashboard or workspace, you're good to go. Using a modern browser and a stable internet connection will help the process run smoothly and prevent interruptions while your video is being created. Next, click on Create. This opens the starting point for new projects and brings up a few ways to build videos. From there, select from text. This option is designed to generate a full video based on the description you provide, which is perfect when you don't want to edit everything from scratch. Now type your prompt or paste one you've prepared. Be as clear and specific as possible. Mention your topic, the tone you're aiming for, like friendly, professional, or energetic, the intended audience, and any key points you want included. If you have a call to action, add that too. A concise, descriptive prompt gives the system the best chance to produce the content you want without heavy revisions later. Once your prompt is in place, choose the format. This usually refers to the aspect ratio. Pick horizontal for YouTube or websites, square for certain feeds, and vertical for stories and shorts. Matching the format to where you plan to publish helps your text and visuals fit the screen without awkward cropping. When you're ready, click on Create Video. Wave.video will begin assembling your project automatically. Behind the scenes, it generates scenes from your prompt, pairs them with visuals, and may include background music and captions depending on your settings. This is where the heavy lifting happens for you. Now wait a few minutes. The time can vary based on the length and complexity of your prompt and your chosen format. Keep the tab open while it processes, and don't worry if it takes a little longer for more detailed content. When the preview appears, play it through from start to finish. Check the pacing, text accuracy, and overall vibe. If everything looks and sounds right and you're satisfied, click Publish. Publishing finalizes your video and makes it ready to share or download, depending on the options provided by the platform. If something feels off, consider refining your prompt for clarity and specificity, then try again until it matches your vision. That's it. You've just learned how to generate a video from text in Wave.video, from logging in to publishing your finished piece.